I think there are a lot of obstacles for a healthier, more truthful information space, and a lot of times it's just a matter of people not knowing where to access truthful information. We can all barely keep up with how much information there is to consume. And so one obstacle is the question, how do we break through? How do we reach people? And so the work that independent media is doing has to be lifted up, has to be supported, not just by the US government, but by governments and institutions around the world to make sure that people can have that access to more truthful information. And then, of course, in terms of obstacles, we also want to make sure that journalism safety and security are prioritized. My message to the people of Serbia is that I'm so happy to be here. My message is that the U.S. is happy to be a strong partner to Serbia, that we are looking to build on our partnership. We have many areas of cooperation. Everyone has a role to play in building our shared future.